everyone! Welcome back to my vlog! Welcome to my vlog! For today's video, panibagong video na naman tayo guys. So, ang video ko today is isi-share ko sa inyo yung about sa cleaning naman. Sa mga mamsi dyan at sa mga housewife dyan na katulad ko na panay linis. Ako panay linis talaga ako guys. Ayoko nang marumi. So anyway guys, 'di ba minsan pag naglinis tayo, minsan naiinis tayo kasi hindi natatanggal yung gusto nating tanggalin sa like sink, gusto natin silang pakintabin, gusto natin silang ulit ma-shiny, ulit yung bathroom natin, yung shower, yung sink at sa iba pang mga kasulok-sulukan sa ating bahay. Hindi na kayo ma-stress dahil isi-share ko sa inyo ang ginagamit kong product na ito. Yung cleaning stuff na ito is like a magic. Isang spray lang and then wipe ka lang dyan. Oh my God, is so amazing yung result niya. Shiny. So anyway, sa Philippines, dahil nandito ako sa UK, sa Philippines siguro meron tayong product na ganito. Pero siguro ibang pangalan lang, ibang brand, ganon. So hanapin nyo na lang, siguro meron yan sa mga SM, ganyan. So hanapin nyo na lang to. Hindi na natin patagalin pa. Of course, first thing, you wear your gloves. So wear your gloves guys for protection. Chemical yan. So if you like to wear your mask, then you can wear your mask as well for protection para hindi malanghap yung yung chemical, yung amoy niya. Pero mabango naman siya. So, ito yung cleaning stuff na ginamit ko is Viacal. Dapat classic ha, classic. So this bathroom guys naman is my mother-in-law's bathroom. So I also cleaned their bathroom. So that is before. Look at this. It's disgusting, isn't it? It's just like our bathroom as well. Disgusting, loads of marks. So I'm gonna spray that and soak for 1 minute. And there you go. Look at the result. Oh, so amazing. I really love this cleaning stuff. I love doing cleaning, guys. I love cleaning. I love working as a cleaner. I do deep cleaning. Look at this. Look at this head shower. It was disgusting before. It was very dirty. And look at this now. Oh my god. I can't believe this. Oh my god. I can see my face now. It's a mirror. Did you say that before? It's loads of marks. And what is an amazing result with that cleaning stuff. You guys should try this. You guys should buy this stuff. And before, in that floor, there is loads of color yellow. And now, turned to white again. It's back to life. Back to life talaga. So, wala nang disgusting dyan. And then lahat, in-spray ko. And winipe ko. And ngayon, shiny na sila ulit. Shiny, shiny. Gustong-gusto ko talaga pag naglinis ako na pag naglinis ako tapos ganyan, perfect yung pagkalinis. Yan. Ako, sobrang content ako. Hindi ako kontento pag naglinis ako, guys. Tapos, hindi ko makita ang best result. Ay, nalulungkot ako. Kasi gusto ko talaga pag naglinis ako, perfecto. Perfecto, kahit hindi naman perfecto. So, gusto ko lang talaga malinis, guys. Kasi siguro ganyan ako. Habit ko yan maglilinis. Habit ko na yung linis ng linis. So, gusto ko nang malinis na malinis. Especially sa bathroom, sa toilet set. Ayan. At saka sa, sa kitchen. Yan yung pinaka number 1 kong dapat malinis is bathroom talaga. So, these all my babies for cleaning. That's all for today, guys. I hope you enjoyed and sana may natutunan kayo sa aking vlog for today. And now, go to your nearest shop and find all these cleaning stuffs. That's all for today, guys. And enjoy your cleaning. At sana nakakatulong ito. So, that's all for today. Bye! See you sa next vlog.